FreshBooks will make your accounting 100 times easier. Okay, I absolutely suck at accounting, and it's one of those things that you always postpone until it's too late, and you have to to pay fees because you were late and stuff. Okay, I'm the worst at accounting, and I've been looking for a tool that allows me to do my accounting very easily, and this one is absolutely the best. Okay, so just to give you an idea of what this can do, so you can actually see there are some really cool people who are using this tool. I can have all my accounting done on my phone. I have the app. I can send my invoices to my clients in a few clicks. They can actually pay directly from the invoice. There will be a payment link in there, and I can track everything without having to run complicated reports or anything like this. Okay. I use it extensively on several of my businesses. So I'm going to give you like a quick snapshot of one of my accounts. But this thing it's the best accounting tool I have ever seen, right? So I have a bunch of clients. So these are repeat clients, right? So I can just go clone an invoice, send it to them, and then I have some stats of if they viewed it, if it's been paid, if it's been partially paid. I can put something on auto pay. It's absolutely amazing. It's very, very simple. Okay, if you want to do accounting the right way, so you can either download your invoices as PDF and send it to the person, or you can just create the invoice and just send it to the client directly. It's going to be delivered to their email. They have a link in there that says pay. As soon as they've paid, you get your invoice saying, well, the invoice has been paid, and then that's it. Super, super, super easy. Okay, highly recommend it. So just to give you a quick rundown, so this is one of my that's for one of my businesses, and straight away you can see. So this is the outstanding invoices that still need to be paid. So it's like 80,000 euros or something. So they will tell you how old some of these invoices are. And stuff like that. So you can here you can create your clients, for example. You can create your invoice in here. If you need to create a quote for someone, you can put it in here. You can track your expenses. So this is not just to send invoices to your clients. You can track your expenses, do time tracking for people inside your organization or for yourself, just to understand how much time you're actually spending on some task, how much money it's costing you. And then here you have all the reports. So in the reports, you have the expenses reports, the invoice details, and that will give you all your invoices for, let's say, for example, you want the invoicing for the fiscal year. You can have it here, client reports by client. It's absolutely amazing. My accounting is very simple in my usage of FreshBooks, and so I haven't explored every single possibility, because what I was looking for was something super simple where I can send my invoices to my clients. They can pay directly in there, and then I send that over to my accountant because I do have an accountant myself. I don't want to do accounting too much, and this is so easy. All right, so I really, really suggest you use it. You have a 30-day free trial, right? So you can get started and get familiar with the tool. You'll see how quickly you'll get addicted to it and how easy it is. Where everything can be done from your phone. People can actually pay inside the invoices. You don't need any complicated integration or something. It's just there. It's just super simple. All right, so go ahead and try it. Me, as you can see, I don't recommend anything I'm not using myself. So I'm extensively using this, and it's the best for me. I've tried a bunch of services. As I said, my goal when testing these services was to find the quickest, the easiest one, and the most user-friendly. And it is this one by miles, right? It doesn't even, the other ones don't even compare to this one. All right, So click on the link. It will take you straight to FreshBooks and sign using my link. If you don't mind, if you like this review, just sign through my link, and that will give me a referral. And well, it doesn't change anything to your price, and you're not going to pay more. I might actually be able to negotiate something better in terms of offer if you go through my link. All right. Thank you very much. You have a nice day. Bye-bye.